Here's a quick guide on how to get Brightcore in LEGO Fortnite. Brightcore is a rare crafting material that you can only find deep underground. To get it, you'll need to explore lava caves, which spawn in the Dry Valley Desert biome. Before going in, make sure you bring heat resistance or spicy food because there are lava pockets within the cave, and if you hit them, you will lose a lot of life. And don't forget, these caves also have enemies, so bring your weapons and food to ensure that you don't die. Okay, so you would want to look for yellowish or sticking out of the ground or the walls. That's bright core. Mine them with your uncommon or better pickaxe to collect it. Bright core is mainly used for crafting advanced weapons and tools, so it's worth farming a good supply whenever you explore caves. And that's how to get bright core in LEGO Fortnite. Stay prepared, and you'll gather plenty for your upgrades.